Amazing custom 5-bedroom/5-bath with office sits on almost an acre lot in Waukee Schools and is in the new Northwest Wolves High School district. 5-car heated garage with staircase to bonus room/storage, 33 by 22 paver patio with fire pit, new Azek PVC maintenance-free deck with 7-person hot tub, custom roof with built-in speakers and lighting for outdoor entertaining. This updated executive home has over 4,800 square feet of finish. Freshly refinished hardwood floors, maple kitchen with stainless appliances including double wall ovens. Upstairs you have a huge master bedroom with amazing master bath with dual walk-in closets, and skylight. 2 bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath, and 4th bedroom has its own full bath. Downstairs you will be amazed by the custom finished basement with daylight windows, 5th bedroom/exercise room, 100 inches theater, full bar with full-size fridge and wine fridge, 2nd fireplace and custom design.